Joey Chestnut absolutely destroyed IShowSpeed in episode 3 of Speed Goes Pro. The hot dog and soda challenges showed Chestnut's pro pace and technique. Speed tried, but ended up gasping while Chestnut crushed the rounds without breaking a sweat. This episode, produced by OBB Media, is equal parts comedy and a masterclass in competitive eating. We'll show the hit moment, 2 slow-mo replays of Chestnut's technique, quick crowd reactions, and a one-line breakdown. Spacing, rhythm, and jaw control make pros look effortless. Was Speed outmatched, or was this the funniest lesson in humility? Comment, dominated, or respect?